In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate days between dates in Smartsheet. We'll start right inside your existing sheet. Look over your columns and identify where your start date and end date live, because we're going to use those in a quick formula. Now, add a new column to hold your results. Click Add New Column, choose text/number as the column type, and give it a clear name, something like Calculated Days. The name is just for you and your team to understand what the column represents, so pick something descriptive. Next, click into that new column to make it active. At the top of Smartsheet, select Formulas on the toolbar. When you do, a panel opens on the right, giving you a space to build your formula. In the Formula field, start by typing Net Days. This tells Smartsheet we want to calculate the number of working days between two dates, automatically excluding weekends. If you're tracking project durations or task turnarounds, this is often what you want, since it focuses on business days. After you type net days, press Enter to confirm the function name, and Smartsheet will prompt you for the two date inputs. Click the start date cell for the same row you're working in, then type a comma and click the end date cell. You'll see Smartsheet insert references that look like the column names tied to the current row, which helps the formula stay aligned as you use it across multiple rows. Check that the parentheses close properly, then click Apply. You should immediately see the calculated number of working days appear in your new column for that row. A few quick tips to make this smooth. First, be sure your start and end date columns actually contain valid dates, not text. If they're text, net days can't compute and you may see an error. Second, remember that net days excludes weekends by design. If you notice the result seems smaller than expected, that's usually because Saturdays and Sundays aren't counted. Finally, if you see a negative number, it likely means the start date is after the end date. Double-check your inputs to make sure they're in the right order. That's all there is to it. By adding a dedicated results column, opening the formula panel, entering net days, selecting your start date, typing a comma, selecting your end date, and clicking Apply, you get an instant, reliable calculation of working days between any two dates in your sheet. This simple setup makes it easy to track durations and keep your timelines accurate.